Why nothing in space stays still. Look up at the night sky. It feels calm, silent, completely still. The stars don't seem to move. The moon hangs quietly in place. Everything looks frozen in time. But this is an illusion. Right now, at this very moment, you are moving through space at an unimaginable speed. So fast that if you could see it, it would take your breath away. Because in the universe, nothing ever truly stays still. Let's start with the ground beneath your feet. Earth is not standing still, it is constantly spinning. At the equator, our planet is rotating at about 1,670 kilometers per hour. That is faster than a jet aircraft. Yet we don't feel this motion at all. Because everything around us, air, oceans, buildings, and even our bodies, is moving together with Earth. This rotation is what gives us day and night. As Earth turns, different parts face the sun, then turn away into darkness. So even when you feel completely still, you are actually standing on a spinning world, rushing through space every second. But Earth's motion doesn't stop with spinning. It is also traveling around the sun. Our planet is orbiting at a speed of about 107,000 kilometers per hour. That means in just 1 hour, Earth travels farther than many space missions take days to cover. One full orbit around the sun takes about 365 days, and that is what we call a year. So right now, you are not just standing on a spinning planet. You are also moving in a giant circle around the sun, without feeling any of it. Every sunrise and sunset is part of this endless cosmic journey, a journey we complete every single year, without ever noticing the speed. And it doesn't end there. The entire solar system is also in motion. Our sun, along with all its planets, is orbiting the center of the Milky Way galaxy. This is not a slow journey. It is happening at around 828,000 kilometers per hour. At this speed, our solar system completes one full galactic orbit in about 225 million years. That means when dinosaurs were alive, the solar system was in a completely different part of the galaxy. So right now, Earth is not just spinning and orbiting the sun, it is also traveling through the galaxy at incredible speed, carrying everything we know with it. But even the galaxy we live in is not standing still. The Milky Way is itself moving through space, carrying billions of stars, planets, and solar systems with it. And it is not alone. Nearby galaxies are also in motion, all influenced by gravity on a massive scale. One of the closest major galaxies to us is the Andromeda galaxy, and it is slowly moving toward the Milky Way. In about 4 billion years, the two galaxies will merge in a slow cosmic collision, reshaping the structure of our galactic neighborhood. So even on the largest scale we can imagine, nothing is truly still. Everything is moving, everything is changing, even entire galaxies. So why is everything in motion? Why does nothing stay still in space? The answer lies in the fundamental laws of the universe. Gravity constantly pulls objects together, creating orbits and curves instead of straight lines. And there is another powerful principle called conservation of angular momentum. It means that once something starts spinning or moving, it keeps that motion unless something stops it. Most of the motion we see today began billions of years ago, from the early formation of the universe itself. Since then, space has never stopped moving, and it likely never will. Motion is not just in space, it exists everywhere. Even inside the smallest things in the universe, nothing is truly at rest. Atoms are constantly moving. Electrons orbit nuclei at incredible speeds, forming the structure of everything you see around you. And what we call temperature is actually the measure of this motion. The hotter something is, the faster its particles are moving. Even in the coldest places in space, particles still vibrate. Absolute stillness does not truly exist, even at the smallest scale. This rule of motion continues even in the most extreme objects in the universe. Stars rotate as they form from spinning clouds of gas and dust. Entire galaxies spin slowly over millions of years. And even black holes, the most powerful objects in existence, often spin at incredible speeds, warping space and time around them. From the smallest particles to the largest structures in the cosmos, rotation and movement are everywhere. When we add it all together, the truth becomes almost impossible to imagine. You are standing on a planet that is spinning. That planet is orbiting a star. That star is moving through a galaxy. And that galaxy is traveling through the universe, all at the same time. And yet, you feel completely still. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this simple truth. In the universe, nothing ever truly stays still.